Square root of 5 raised to the power of root m minus square root of 2 raised to the power of root m equals 21. Find m. Hi there, welcome back to Daily Mathematics. I really want to thank you for all your support by liking and subscribing to our channel. It really means a lot, and I really want to thank you for your genuine thoughts about these videos in the comment section. So without wasting much time, let's get into this question. Solution. So we have a question, square root of 5, so let's rewrite it. Square root of 5 raised to the power of square root of root m minus square root of 2 raised to the power of square root of root m equals 21. Now the first approach I'm going to take into this question is using our law of exponent. When we have square root of a, it will become a raised to the power of 1 over 2. We're going to do it for these numbers here. We have square root of 5, that will become 5 raised to the power of 1 over 2. Right, and we have our raised to the power of root m here minus 2 raised to the power of 1 over 2 raised to the power of root m, and we have equal to 21. It's equals to 21. So from here, you remember when we have a, another law, when we have a raised to the power of m raised to the power of n, or bracket n, it will give us a raised to the power of mn, meaning we are multiplying the powers. So that's what we're going to do here. So here we have 5 raised to the power of 1 times root m, right, gives us root m over 2. So 1 over 2 times root m is giving us root m over 2 minus. To do the same thing from here, 2 raised to the power of 1 times root m is giving us root m, and our over 2 is here, equals 21, right? So from here, what are we going to do? So from here we can see, let root m over 2 be any letter of your choice. I'm going to use x. Let root m over 2 give us x. All right, so from here I will now substitute root m over 2. I'll now make root m over 2 x. So we have 5 raised to the power of x minus 2 raised to the power of x, because root m over 2 is x, equals 21. Right, so from here, what am I going to do now? So from here, when I have a question like this, I can do one thing. Why? What's that thing? By multiplying the powers by 2 over 2. That's what I want to do. Multiplying the powers by 2 over 2. You can use any number of your choice, but I'm going to use 2 over 2. You can use 3 over 3 and do cube roots, whatever. But I want to use 2 over 2 because it will give me a lesser number. So from here, why? And 2 over 2 is still equals 1, so it's still the same. So go and say 5 raised to the power of x, right, multiplied by root 2 over 2 minus 2 raised to the power of x multiplied by 2 over 2 equals 21. 2 over 2 is still equals 1, so 5 raised to the power of x times 1 is still the same 5 raised to the power of x, so it's possible, right? So from here, what's the next thing to do for us to do? So from here, we can have, whenever we have a raised to the power of m bracket 1 over n, it will give us a raised to the power of m times 1 m over n, right? So from here we're going to do the same thing. And also it can also give us when we have this number, maybe a raised to the power of 1 bracket m over n, right? It can give us a raised to the power of m bracket 1 over n, right? Yes, it can have something like that. So from here we are going to have 5 from here raised to the power of x over 2 squared, right, minus 2 raised to the power of x over 2 squared, right, equals 21. So from here we can say, let's 5 raised to the power of x over 2 equals a, and let 2 raised to the power of x over 2 equals b. Right, so from here, what am I trying to say? So this now becomes a, so from here I have a squared minus this now becomes b, and b squared equals 21. Right, so from here, you know, when we have a squared minus b squared, we have differences of two squares right? So we have differences of two squares. What will they give us? A plus b bracket a minus b equals, now 21, we have to find 21. 21 is divided by 3 gives us 7, divided by 7 gives us 1, is 3 times 7, right? So from here we're going to equate. So we have like two equations. When we have something like this, two brackets, we'll equate it. We have two equations. So we have a plus b equals and a minus b. This now split into two equations, and we have to equal it to the numbers at the equal to sign, after the equal to sign. So from here, a plus b, that's bigger one, right? When we say a plus b, it sounds bigger than a minus b, so we equate it to the bigger term, and a minus b is, we equate it to 3, right? So from here we have what? Simultaneous equation, right? So from here, what do we do in a simultaneous equation? We can do any form. So from here, I want to add two equations. A plus a gives me 2a, plus b plus and minus gives us minus, so b minus b cancels, so they cancel themselves. So from here, 7 plus 3 gives us 10, 2a equals 10. Divide both sides by 2, the coefficient of the letter, to get the letter a equals 10 divided by 2 gives us 5, right? So from here, what's the next thing? So we have substitute a equals 5 in any equation, either equation 1 or equation 2. I'm using equation 1. This is what equation 1 says. Equation 1 says a plus b equals 7, right? This is equation 1, and this is equation 2. So a plus b equals 7, and we have here a to be 5. We are substituting that into this equation. 5 plus b equals 7, right? So from here, what's the next thing? So we have b, we make b the subject of the formula because that's what we want to find. B equals 7. This is plus 5. When it crosses here, it changes to minus 5. So b equals 7 minus 5 gives us 2, right? So from here, we now have a and b. But remember, we were told here, recall here, that let 5 raised to the power of x over 2 equal a, and let 2 raised to the power of x over 2 equals b, right? So let's have it here. 5 raised to the power of x over 2 equals a, right? So from here, what's our a? We find our a here to be 5. So 5 raised to the power of x over 2 equals 5. And 5 is 5 raised to the power of 1, right? So from here, we can see the bases are the same. When we have a raised to the power of m equals a raised to the power of n, we can cancel, and the powers will equate to themselves. So we cancel this place. X over 2 equals 1. And from here, we cross multiply. X equals 2. Right? So from here, we can see this is our value for x. Our value for x is 2, x equals 2. And if you can try that, we also say here that let 2 raised to the power of x over 2 equals b. So let's do it. 2 raised to the power of x over 2 equals b to give us our same answer. The value of x is the same. B, and we have b here to be 2, right? So 2 raised to the power of x over 2 equals 2, and 2 is still 2 raised to the power of 1. We cancel this one according to what we said here. X over 2 equals 1. We cross multiply. Therefore, x equals 2. You can see that these answers are equal. They are the same, right? So now let's now recall again from here that root m over 2 equals x, right? So we have it here. Recall, right? Recall root m, where is it? It's here. Root m over 2 equals x. That's what we said. So we have root m over 2 equals x. And what's x? We found x to be 2, right? So from here, root m over 2 equals 2, right? So from here, we cross multiply. Root m equals 4. From here, we square both sides to get rid of these roots. So from here, square cancel square root. M equals 4 squared is 16, right? So m equals 16. This is the value of m. And so now we're going to do, for the last thing, we're going to check from the original equation. This was our original equation. Root 5 raised to the power of root m minus root 2 raised to the power of root m equals 21. Let's see if it goes into the equation. If m equals 16 goes into the equation. So here, let's put it here. Root 5, right? Root 5 raised to the power of root m minus root 2 raised to the power of root m equals 21, right? So from here, we have found out that m is 16, so we have root 5. And remember what we prove here, where we say root a equals a raised to the power of 1 over 2. So let's have it here, root 5 raised to the power of 1 over 2. And root m, we have root 16, because we found out that m is 16, minus 2 raised to the power of 1 over 2 raised to the power of root 16. Does it give us 21? Right? So from here we have 5 raised to the power of 1. So root 16 times 1 is now giving us root 16 over 2 minus 2 raised to the power of root 16 over 2. Does it give us 21? Right? So from here, 5 raised to the power of root 16 is 4 over 2 minus 2 raised to the power of 4 over 2. 4 over 2 gives us 2. That's we have 5 squared minus 4 over 2 gives us 2. That means we have 2 squared. Does it give us 21? So from here, 5 squared is giving us 25. And 2 squared is giving us 4. Thus 25 minus 4 gives us 21. 25 minus 4, 21. So it's equal to 21. So we can see our answer for this one here, m is equal to 16. And that brings us to the end of solving this very nice question you see up here. So m equals 16. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to leave your genuine thoughts about this video. Thank you very much.